Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to check the transmission fluid level on your Acura MDX. It is very important you do your transmission flush on time. I would recommend 30,000 miles and I would recommend use a good fluid. I did do a flush on this vehicle and I had somebody walking. But to continue the video, make sure you do your transmission flush on time. If it's your truck, and I will take care of it, don't neglect it. All right, so a few things you need to know is, first of all, my truck here is nice and hot, okay? I ran this thing for 20 minutes, I drove around the block. I did check it previously to that, then I decided to make a video so everybody else can see. Because you can do it the wrong way and you will make a mistake and damage your transmission. First of all, this is your dipstick on this transmission. It's very easy to access. Get a clean rag. Mine is not the best clean because I've been using it on this vehicle, but we did do flush. So I'm gonna put this back in, and then make sure your car is perfectly on a flat surface. It's nice and even. If it's not even, it's gonna give you a wrong reading. Okay. Truck has to be nice and hot. Be careful. Don't burn yourself. Take your time. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna start the truck. And there's two dots on this dipstick, okay? So there's two holes pretty much. It's gonna be hard to see, but it says hot on it on the one side. The other side doesn't say anything. So when your truck is nice and hot, it has to be either up to the level or somewhere between these two dots. But I would say try to get it as max as possible because the fluid do expand, so you do need to get it hot. If it's not hot, you're gonna get a wrong reading. So that's this thing going, and I'm gonna start up the truck and we're gonna put the dipstick back in and pull it out to see the reading. All right guys, the truck is running. It's nice on flat surface. And what we're gonna do is, this dipstick, it's a little bit dark down there, but let me give you an idea so you can see. You see that hole right there? I'm gonna put the dipstick back in, and you see this little screw right there. Make sure that goes into that little curve where it's supposed to be at. So let me get this dipstick in. Alright, what you want to do is you want to pull out your dipstick, clean it, give it a few minutes so none of that fluid is on the board. Put it back like we did. Ours was clean already. So for you had to pull it out, clean it up, give it a minute or two, stick it back in, and then you want to simply, you know what, let me show you where the dipstick is at right now. So you know, you have an idea where you're checking it at. You see this yellow handle? It goes all the way to that little guy right there. Alright, so all I'm going to do is, I'm going to pull this out. Make sure you hold this straight, guys. Do not hold it in a curved angle. Alright, I'm going to just use this as a leverage so I can bring my hand down. And as you can see, the fluid is perfectly a little bit above the second dot, which might be a little bit of mess in this splash. In the back end, it shows me really good. All right, so this is a good reading. So make sure you hold the dipstick straight, okay? And make sure your car is on a perfectly angle. That's how simple it is. If you can't get it right, do it again. Clean it up really nice, stick it back, and pull it back out and read the reading. If it's low, okay? If it's below this dot, if it's up to here, when the car is nice and hot, add a little bit. Add probably a quarter of a fluid, a quarter, like a cup of 1 cup, and pour it in. Give it a little bit of time so that thing can mix up, and then check it again. Okay, guys? Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you guys. And don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Again, Acura MDX. This is 2010. Procedure is same for Honda Pilot and the MDX and the Honda Odyssey because they got the same engine and transmission.